The year is 2025. Technology, once confined to our pockets and purses, is about to become a seamless part of us. How? 2 words: AI glasses. These aren't the clunky, awkward headsets of yesterday. Think sleek, stylish frames virtually indistinguishable from ordinary glasses. But behind the lenses lies a revolution. Google, the tech giant known for pushing boundaries, has unveiled its latest creation. These aren't just glasses, they are windows into a future powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where information flows effortlessly into your field of vision. No more fumbling for your phone, no more struggling to navigate unfamiliar streets. This is the promise of Google's AI glasses, a world where the digital and physical blend seamlessly, all within a lightweight, comfortable frame. The future is here, and it looks back at you through augmented reality. So, what makes these AI glasses so revolutionary? The answer lies in the fusion of artificial intelligence and wearable technology. These glasses are more than just screens strapped to your face. They are powerful computers, miniaturized and designed for constant intuitive interaction. Imagine this. You're traveling abroad, faced with a menu in a language you don't understand. With a simple voice command, your AI glasses translate the menu instantly, overlaying it in your native language. Or picture this. You're lost in a new city, but your glasses, using advanced object recognition and GPS, guide you with clear, concise directions displayed right before your eyes. This is the power of AI at work, making the complex simple, the unfamiliar accessible. Google isn't alone in this race to redefine reality. Apple, their longtime rival, has also thrown their hat into the ring with their Vision Pro headset. While both devices promise to revolutionize how we interact with the digital world, they offer distinct visions of the future. Google's glasses prioritize seamless integration with the real world, while Apple's headset leans towards immersive experiences, blurring the lines between physical and virtual. The battle lines are drawn. Google, with its focus on accessibility and everyday utility, is betting on a future where AI augments rather than replaces the real world. Apple, on the other hand, is pushing towards a future of mixed reality, where digital overlays become as compelling and immersive as the physical world itself. Who will win this battle for our faces? Only time will tell. But this dazzling future doesn't come without its share of concerns. As we embrace these advancements, confront the challenges they bring. Privacy, as always, is paramount. With every new device, the stakes get higher. How do we ensure our personal data remains secure in an increasingly connected world? Constantly collecting data. What you see, where you go, even what you look at. This continuous data collection raises significant privacy concerns. The potential for misuse is undeniable. Hackers could exploit these devices, leading to data breaches and unauthorized surveillance. Then there's the question of battery life. How long can these devices operate before needing a recharge? Powering these requires a lot of juice. Frequent recharging could become a major inconvenience for users. Can we expect these glasses to last a full day without needing a recharge? Or will users be constantly tethered to... Let's not forget usability. How user-friendly will these devices be in everyday scenarios? Will these glasses be comfortable enough for extended wear? Comfort is crucial for widespread adoption. Will they be intuitive? Even for those unfamiliar with cutting-edge tech, accessibility is key to reaching a broader audience. These are not just technological hurdles, they are ethical and practical considerations that will determine whether AI glasses become the next must-have gadget or simply a passing fad. The balance between innovation and the answers to these questions and the choices made by tech companies in addressing them will shape the future of AI and its place in our lives. The journey ahead is as exciting as it is uncertain. Section 5. Experts divided. Are we ready for AI on our faces? The arrival of AI glasses has sparked intense debate among technologists, futurists, and social commentators. These glasses, equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, promise to change the way we perceive and interact with the world. They can overlay digital information onto our physical surroundings, making everyday tasks more intuitive and efficient. Some hail it as the dawn of a new era, a world where technology empowers us to be smarter, more connected, and more efficient. Imagine walking down the street and having real-time information about your environment, or getting instant translations while traveling abroad. The possibilities seem endless. Others remain skeptical, warning of potential pitfalls and unintended consequences. They argue that such pervasive technology could lead to a loss of privacy, increased surveillance, and even social isolation as people become more engrossed in their digital worlds. AI glasses are the most significant technological leap since the smartphone, proclaims Dr. Sarah Chen, a leading AI researcher at MIT. She believes that these devices could revolutionize various fields from education to healthcare by providing instant access to information and enhancing human capabilities. They have the potential to revolutionize how we learn, work, and interact with the world around us. In classrooms, students could benefit from interactive lessons and immersive learning experiences. In workplaces, professionals could access real-time data and collaborate more effectively. However, not everyone shares this optimistic outlook. Critics argue that the widespread adoption of AI glasses could exacerbate existing inequalities, as those who cannot afford the technology may be left behind. Privacy advocate John Smith cautions, these devices could usher in an era of unprecedented surveillance. He emphasizes the need for robust privacy protections and ethical guidelines to ensure that the technology is used responsibly. We need strong regulations and ethical guidelines to prevent misuse. Governments and regulatory bodies must work together to create frameworks that protect individual rights while fostering innovation. The debate rages on, reflecting the societal anxieties and aspirations surrounding this transformative technology. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the choices we make today will shape the future of AI integration in our daily lives. One thing is clear, AI glasses have ignited a conversation about the future we want to create, one where technology empowers us without compromising our values. The journey ahead is uncertain, but it is filled with potential for both innovation and introspection. Section 6. A world transformed, the promise of AI glasses. Despite these valid concerns, the potential benefits of AI glasses are too significant to ignore. These innovative devices have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us, offering unprecedented levels of convenience and efficiency. Imagine a world where language barriers cease to exist, where real-time translation allows for seamless communication across cultures. Whether you're traveling to a foreign country or conducting business with international partners, AI glasses could make understanding and being understood effortless. Picture a classroom where students, aided by AI tutors, learn at their own pace, their understanding enhanced by interactive three-dimensional models and personalized learning plans. This technology could cater to individual learning styles, making education more accessible and engaging for everyone. Envision a hospital where surgeons, guided by AI-powered diagnostics, perform complex procedures with greater precision and reduced risk. The integration of AI glasses in healthcare could lead to faster diagnoses, more effective treatments, and ultimately, better patient outcomes. These are just a few examples of how AI glasses could transform our world, breaking down barriers and unlocking new possibilities. From enhancing our daily routines to revolutionizing entire industries, the impact of this technology could be profound. The potential applications are vast and varied, spanning across industries and touching every aspect of our lives. From retail to manufacturing, entertainment to healthcare, AI glasses could bring about a new era of innovation and efficiency. From assisting the visually impaired with navigation to providing real-time data analysis for business professionals, the possibilities seem limited only by our imagination. As we continue to explore and develop this technology, the future looks incredibly promising, filled with opportunities to enhance and enrich our lives in ways we are only beginning to understand. Section 7. Beyond the hype, AI glasses in the real world. The true test of any technology lies not in its theoretical potential but in its real-world application. And AI glasses are already making their mark in various sectors. In manufacturing, workers are using AI-powered glasses to receive step-by-step instructions, improving efficiency and reducing errors. In healthcare, surgeons are using augmented reality overlays to visualize patient anatomy during surgery, leading to more precise interventions and faster recovery times. These early successes are a testament to the transformative power of AI glasses. As the technology matures and costs decrease, we can expect to see even wider adoption across industries. The question is not if but when AI glasses will become an integral part of our daily lives. Section 8. The future is watching. Will you stare back? The dawn of AI glasses marks a significant turning point in our relationship with technology. For the first time, we are on the cusp of integrating digital information seamlessly into our physical reality. This fusion of the real and the virtual holds immense promise, but it also raises profound questions. Will we embrace this new era of augmented reality, or will we shy away from its implications? Will we harness the power of AI for good, or will we succumb to its potential for misuse? The choices we make today will determine the future of AI and its impact on humanity. The future is watching. Will you stare back? Section 9. Join the revolution. The future is in your hands. The future of AI glasses, like all transformative technologies, rests not solely in the hands of tech giants and innovators, it rests with us, the users, the citizens, the ones who will ultimately decide how this technology shapes our world. The conversation about AI glasses is just beginning. We must engage with it thoughtfully, critically, and with a keen eye towards both the potential benefits and the inherent risks. Educate yourself about the technology, its capabilities, and its limitations. Engage in discussions about ethical considerations and potential societal impacts. Demand transparency and accountability from the companies developing these devices. The future is not predetermined. It is shaped by the choices we make today. Join the revolution. The future of AI glasses is in your hands.